So welcome back, and in this class I'm going to talk about what are precautions. What are the precautions that are needed while calculating national income by the value added method or the product method. So there are basically three precautions. One is to avoid double counting. Second is to make sure that you include production for self-consumption, and we do not have to include sale of second-hand products. So quickly have a look. This is very simple. Just go through that. You got to, and you get a 3-mark question sometimes, or you'll get a statement in which you have to say if it is what are the precautions, or is it a precaution or not. So let's take the first one. So value of intermediate good is not included in the estimation of value added. That's what we did in the last class. Because why? Because value of intermediate good is reflected in the value of final goods. So we must see that they are not, intermediate goods are not added. So we must avoid double counting of goods and services, because otherwise the national income figure will be inflated. It will be much more than what it is. Okay, so second is said self-consumed output must be included. So output that is produced but retained for self-consumption rather than selling in market is output, and therefore it should be included in estimates. For example, you have services of owner-occupied building. Okay, then farmers consuming its own produce. These are some of the examples. And another important thing is that do not include sale of second-hand goods. So value of second-hand goods or used goods being sold should not be included in national income. Why? Because their value was accounted for at the time of first production. Sale of the second-hand goods is not a production activity. The second-hand goods should not be treated as fresh production and therefore has not to be included in national income. However, any brokerage, you have to pay commission to the broker, that is. So any commission which is paid to the broker to facilitate the sale of a second-hand good is a fresh production activity. So that has to be included in production, but only to the extent of the commission. So these are the three important precautions which have to be taken while we are doing national income accounting, or we are measuring national income accounting with the help of value added method. And now in the next class we are going to talk about double counting. What is double counting and how do we go about it? This is very important in the value added method especially.